Hello everyone to welcome another video. So today we are going to talk about that how you can earn money to just giving only review on a video. It can be a drama, it can be a movie, it can be a series, anything. So simply we will just go on YouTube. Once we will open that, we will just type here drama reviews. Once we will type here drama reviews, you can see that channels which are growing very fast and they have video reviews. So what exactly they are doing, that if we will play this, even on this video there are ads as well, so it's non-skippable ad, as you can see that. Okay, and once this ad will be completed, only then we can see the video. So here is the video. As you can see that they are just using only images and they are just using a voiceover. Okay, once they are just using these images, how they are getting these images? So simply what we have to do, that we will just type a drama name which is mentioned below, and we will just type the serial, like which teaser is that, which episode is that. So simply we will just type a 3. After typing of 3, you will see that there is a teaser. So what they are doing, they are just opening this teaser, they're taking a screenshot of on their mobiles. Okay, and whatever it is asking in the trailer, they are describing in their words. So with this they are earning monthly 20k to 30k, just simply just giving our reviews on the dramas or videos. Even you can see that whatever they have used, the picture they have taken from here, simply by clicking of screenshot, and anybody can do this job. It's very easy and you will earn a lot of money. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, even you can see that there are multiple movies which is just recently released. There are hundred of reviews on recent videos, and even you can just see the subscribers, how many they have the subscriber on their channels. Even it's crossing a millions of that subscriber. Just simply what exactly they are doing, they are just giving a reviews, whatever it's like, I mean, asking in the comments or trailer or teaser, simply they're just describing on their own language. So this is the easiest job which you can do, that simply just listening the video or movie or anything. And if you know the story about that behind of the movie or behind of the drama, you can describe that what is going to be happening in the next video or next episodes. So it will be interesting and the people will like your channel, and you will get a lot of money with this. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe our channel.